Hello everyone, we have another unboxing to do. I'm sorry I just can't show you the whole the whole thing because my informations are there and so is the seller's information. But I promise you, it's always a genuine when I do unboxing. It's gonna be the first time I will see it as well. And although I bought this ahead, of course, but I haven't opened it. And at times I bought a few stuff, so I wouldn't know what or which one that I received. But yeah, this one I'm a bit excited because I think uh, I had a freebie for this because I bought one coin, but I think I have three inside though. So we'll see, if what's in there, what's in here. So let's see. Okay. Oh, very hard. Have to. Okay. Rip the side open. Just be careful of the stamps because I also collect stamps, of course. Okay, how do we? Okay, I rip it up. And this one is the seller is in Australia actually. So see, oh wow, okay. Yes, I bought one coin and then I have a I have two freebies for it. Very nice, eh? So that's what happened when you buy coins in some of the sellers that like you regularly buy. They give you a freebie. So I have a freebie, two freebie actually. I bought this one, and in which I'll show you later. We'll just see what's the freebie first. And I think it. So big coin then. Thank you very much. If you buy and trade me, he have a trade me account. I mean, he sells coin. He's a collector and seller as well. So this one is 1941 Australian penny with a very good. Wow, it's a very good grade, eh? And to think of it, it's just a freebie. I think you can sell it for probably at least $3 to $5 at least. So yeah, nice, eh? And this other one is much older, as I can see. So this is a 1921 one penny. Wow, very nice, eh? Condition is very good. Here we can see King George the Fifth. Very nice. Wow. To think of it, it's just they're both just freebie. And now we go to the one that I bought. Probably that's why I have freebie. But I mean, I bought this one. I think it's below value as well. So it's very good. This one is a New Zealand silver coin, and the value is 1 florin, and it is from the reign of King George the Fifth. As we can see, his portrait. The grade is I think, I don't know, maybe G or F, BF. I'm not sure. Uh, it's not that great. I mean, not that high grade. But actually, it is. I bought this one because this is the lowest mintage it have in these lots of coins of King George the Fifth, in which is from 1933 up to 1936 only. So the mintage for these coins is only 150,000. You imagine that. The other ones from 33, 34, 35, 36, or 33, 34, 35, they're all, I think, around 2 million or 1 million something. But this one is only 150,000. So this is a scarce coin, and in which I'm lucky to have it, even though, of course, I have to pay lots of money if it's high grade. But I'm happy with this. Very nice, eh? And anyway, it's a silver coin, so so yeah, very good with with two freebies. You can see, never go wrong with it, eh? You know, two freebies. As you can see, very nice. So yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a very good day.